Paisley here.
And Melon.
And today we're gonna show you guys something to make. It's gonna be so.
And it is a science thing that we did, and we have them right behind us.
In 3, 2, 1.
We're going to show you
So, hey guys, it's Paisley here.
and Melon.
And today we're gonna make something awesome.
And
But
it's
really dangerous.
Yeah, it is.
We're
really
using dry ice.
Yes.
So always do it with an adult. Now let's get started. Hey guys, it's Paisley here.
And Melon.
To step 1. Fill your cup with water.
Hot water.
Hot
And-
water
and
with
if
an
you-
adult.
And also, if you're not old enough, an adult should fill it up for you.
Hey guys, it's Paisley here again. Now, step 2. We're gonna put dry ice.
in the hot water.
Yeah. You are not gonna believe And voila! But if you also do it in a sink, right over here, this is what it would look like.
When it wears off.
Remember, always keep safety.
And also, they have long hair.
Yeah, it's pretty true. They look like they have long hair.
Yeah. Look, they look like they're Republican.
Okay, hey guys, it's Paige here. And thank you for watching this video. Please subscribe if you like it. Bye!
Oh, and also give this